unfortunately it costs the customer more in a lot of situations because they've already paid to have the installation done, but that contractor may not necessarily have done control voltage, control wires, gas detection before, and then they'll do issues with installation that causes a lot of problems for the customer, and I have to end up coming back in and they have to pay me to correct those issues. If you hire just an electrical firm that's never seen a gas detector, has no knowledge about it, so they're reading in the manual trying to determine, or they're calling me trying to determine what gauge wire to run, where do I terminate these things. Well, when they get done with it, the customer is still sitting there going, okay, now how does the system work and how do I maintain it? Lots of electricians that just haven't worked with control voltage, and this is no slight on electricians, but they've just been high voltage that runs outlets and they run power to motors and those type of things. They would splice my 40-20 milliamp signal or my mod bus or my heart wires, and that's just a very bad practice. You always want to have home run wires. When we leave, we want everyone to have confidence that this system is working properly. We do the appropriate preventive maintenance over the life of the system, and you end up having a good solid gas detection system that'll save people's lives.